Good evening. What a day. We started out warm and sunny this morning, then the cloud rolled in this afternoon, then the showers and thunderstorms. You can see from our camera sitting here in the city, there's some distant heavy showers approaching the city centre. Melbourne's maximum today was a very warm 31 degrees at just before 12:30 this afternoon, and we had an overnight low of 19.4 at 4:50 this morning. In the city we recorded 2.4 millimetres from this rain band up to 4:45 this afternoon. Currently in the city the temperature is sitting on 21 degrees, we have a southeast wind of 14 knots and the pressure is 1,014 hectopascals, and that will rise in the next 24 hours. Now let's see where that rain band came from with our latest satellite sequence on the computer. Now you can see this rain band approaching Victoria. You'll notice the northern part of the cloud mass starts to break up, but the main band is only moving very slowly and is being forced down over the southeast corner of Australia. Now that's because we've got this large blocking high sitting out over here over the Tasman Sea, which is forcing that cloud band to move down to the southeast. Now this cloud mass will clear Melbourne overnight, but it'll hang around the east of the state for most of tomorrow. Now if we put the surface chart over the latest satellite picture, you see there's that front just near the western border of Victoria, and the blocking high sitting out over the Tasman Sea. A large high south of Western Australia will drift slowly eastward towards Victoria tomorrow, directing a cooler south to southeasterly airflow across the state. Now around the state today we had rain. The rain had only affected western and central parts of the state. The highest fall, the 6-hourly rainfall up to 3 p.m. was only 5 millimetres at Stawell and Warrnambool. However, there will be some heavier falls mainly over the eastern highlands tonight. As you can see, the air was extremely warm ahead of the change. The highest was 37 degrees at Mildura, whereas you look way down here in the southwest corner, it was only around about 29 at Warrnambool. Now the forecast chart has that high south of the Bight. You can see it's directing a south to southeasterly airflow over Victoria. This high will remain west of Victoria until the end of the week, and the only weak fronts way down south will produce the odd shower in Melbourne towards the end of the week. Now if you're travelling around the country tomorrow, Brisbane will be fine, chance of a storm for Sydney and Canberra, showers in Hobart, and fine out west in Adelaide and Perth. For Victoria we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms, will contract east during the day, and a cooler south to southeasterly airstream will become established in the south of the state. However, it will remain very warm in the north. On the bays we'll have a southerly wind of 10 to 15 knots. Now this wind will produce waves that less than 1 metre. And in Melbourne, showers and thunderstorms clearing overnight with only a brief shower or two tomorrow. We should reach a top of around 23 degrees after